Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Alright. I thought you're not coming back. All right. So you were asking if I've watched the Luffy. What's the title again? It's One Piece, right? One Piece.
Yeah, One Piece.
You call it Luffy. Yeah, have you
Mm.
watched that film? The
Yeah,
series.
I r-
Yeah.
yeah, I read a comic,
How
but
about the movie? Mhm.
it's too long. It's have many
The comic is too long.
many chapter
Which one is too long? The movie? I think everything is too long.
on the comic.
The comic is too
It's
long,
a
and
long.
also the anime. The anime
Yeah,
is also long, right?
yes.
But how about the movie? Have you finished it?
Mm, a movie is like 2 hours. It's
Yeah.
not so long.
Really? It doesn't have it's just a movie, not a series?
Mm,
Because I haven't watched everything. I just watched some parts of it.
ah,
Yeah, because I also have a Netflix account and
ah,
watch I watched it before.
ah. Yeah.
But I haven't finished everything yet. Oh, I think there's no One Piece anymore. I can't see it.
Um,
There's no One Piece. This one, the real one.
oh,
I can't see it anymore. Maybe it's gone. It's not on Netflix anymore.
oh, really?
Yeah, but
Ah,
there
yeah.
is the One Piece. That's an anime. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I remember before when I was watching it, there's
but
an
I didn't know One Piece have a live action film.
Uh, yeah, there is, but it's gone now. It's not on Netflix anymore.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it's not there anymore. They remove it.
oh,
Maybe in the Philippines. I don't know in Vietnam. Oh
oh,
yeah, it's
okay.
still here. I see. I found it. Yeah, I found. You can. Uh,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
yes, okay.
Maybe if I have lots of time, I will finish watching it. Let me see. Does it have a lot of seasons? Oh yeah, it has two seasons.
Yeah,
It
so,
has two seasons, and yeah, so it's long. But it's nice.
mhm,
I like the how they make the movie.
yeah.
And what was the last thing that you watched?
Mm, I want is in
Oh yeah, it's the horror film, right?
yeah.
Have you watched the I forgot the title. Teach You a Lesson. Have you watched it?
Mm,
Do you know that?
can you search?
The it's
Ah,
yeah,
yeah,
this one on Netflix.
Korea film.
Yeah, but you can watch it on in
We
English. I mean, in English.
I watch review. I not have a time to see
Oh,
film.
watch it. But I think you're used to it. They have their language, the language that they use. Some words are not good, but the movie, the lesson, the movie has nice lesson. Yeah,
Yeah,
try to watch it. You can watch it in English or even in Vietnamese. I don't know.
yes.
But I think yeah, you try to watch it in English. It's also a
I
good practice.
but I watch in Vietnamese.
Oh,
Yeah,
but you don't enjoy if it's in English?
no, it's
What? Before I love watching films. I mean Korean films or Korean dramas
yeah,
In Korean language. I watch it in Korean and there's a subtitle. I love listening to how they speak in I mean in Korean, and I just read. But right now it's very I get tired of reading. Now I just watch it in English. Yeah,
Yeah.
because the voice feels different, right? If it's I know that's not the real voice, so it feels
Mm.
weird. But yeah, try to watch it. It's a nice movie. You can learn a lot of lessons. Yeah. Okay. Anything you want to add? Maybe we can just finish this one and then move on to the book. So did you often watch films when you were a child, when you were younger? Do you remember
Yes.
you go to the cinema?
I think I watched Cocomelon.
Coco Melon?
It's like
Uh-huh.
a film.
Yeah, Coco Melon on TV.
Yeah.
Ah, you really like Coco Melon. But it's
Uh,
mostly songs for children, nursery
uh,
rhymes.
yeah. Just like a song than a
Yeah, I
film.
don't think that's a film.
Yeah. I think
Uh-huh.
a film like when I was a child. eh,
Child. Okay.
when I were a child. What in Vietnam have uh the film is uh I
Mm-hmm.
don't know how to say that. But it's like a person play toys
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
like egg toy or Lego toy and the kid watch it. The
What
kids
is it? Is it a woman or a man?
it's like a man play toys
Is it
or play
Blippi?
egg toy.
I think you mean Blippi. Blippi.
Oh yes, this guy. Yes,
You
he go
watch
to
you like Blippi too when you were a child?
yes,
Yeah, we also watch Blippi.
yeah.
Yeah, I like his videos. There's also Blippi on Netflix.
Oh, I
Yeah.
yeah. But I
Yeah.
watch him a lot in YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube. He started on YouTube and then
Mm.
I think Netflix bought his videos. I don't know. And also this one, Miss Rachel. Did do you watch it too
Oh,
before? No,
um, I I know her,
Miss
but
Rachel.
I don't
Mm-hmm.
watch her.
Ah, okay. You like Blippi more, yeah? Because Blippi is more on. I think boys
More,
really like it.
more
Even girls,
popular in
even
Vietnam.
girls, even girls like Blippi. Yeah, but
Yeah,
he features mostly about cars, about monster trucks or
yes,
dinosaurs, yeah, and playground.
yes.
That's why it's fun. All right. And did you ever go to the cinema alone? Did you ever go to the cinema alone? No,
No,
I don't think so. um do you go to the cinema with your friends?
mm,
Have
or yes,
you gone to the cinema with your friends before?
yes. In my,
Ah,
I go to the cinema with my class,
with
just
your
my friend. I
when
go
was
to
it?
the cinema with my class,
With your
just
class. Ah, not with your
just
friends.
yeah,
Not only with your friends, but with your class. Oh.
yeah.
Is it for school?
Um, no, no, old school. It's just my class.
With your teacher?
Yes, with my teacher and
Uh-huh.
with some friends.
Is it part of your lesson?
Yeah.
What did you watch? Vietnamese film?
Um. Yes, Vietnamese film
Mm,
like history film.
I know that. I
Do
know
you
that.
know?
Red Rain?
Yes, Red Rain.
I know that. I know that. It's very famous movie.
Yes,
Yeah. I think it was last year. Was it last year?
yes. It in last year. I don't
Yeah, last year?
know
Last year or
in
maybe
this
2 years
year
ago.
in
Hmm?
February.
Oh, this year only.
Yes.
This year.
Um,
Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember. I remember Red Rain. It's about Vietnam, right? It's about
Yeah.
the soldiers who fought for Vietnam.
Yes.
All right, maybe it's part of your history class.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. And do you think going to the cinema is a good way to spend time with your friends?
Yes. He's
Mm-hmm.
very very chill and relaxed,
Relaxing, chilling, and relaxing.
and we have a lot of things to talk from a long time
Uh-huh,
not meet.
uh-huh. You will talk while watching?
Yeah, talk about the film, a lot of
Ah,
things.
okay. You can talk about the film after you watch.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay, and then maybe you can catch up with your friends after you watching the movie.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And maybe you can go eat out, right?
Yeah.
Wow. And
Yeah.
go to the arcade.
Yeah.
Do you go to arcade? Oh, I have lots of students. I have forgotten.
Yeah.
I have lots of students actually. I don't remember if I already asked you about it.
Yeah.
Have I asked you
You,
about it?
yes, you ask me after.
Yeah, often.
Yes.
Oh no. Because if I have students the same age as you, I actually have.
Oh,
That's why it's very difficult to remember.
oh
I
yeah.
need to ask you if I already asked you about it. Yeah. Okay. At least I
Mm,
remember. Okay. All right. So, yeah, it's a good way to spend time with friends. All right. So, I think we will continue this part next time. And so, let's move on to the book. This
okay.
is your global success book. Yeah, and we are now on this part. Let me see. So, yeah, last time we finished this part, right? Yeah. Could you
Yeah.
please read the words, the phrases first so you can answer this one? You might be have forgotten about it. Can you read, Johnny? Oh, you're going to write.
Yes. Yeah, I go to write it in
On your
last.
book?
Yes.
Oh, what if your
And
teacher sees that you already answered this one?
yeah.
What?
Was and when I learn, I very I
You
don't
know the
need to
answer.
do
You
anything.
already answered it. Oh
Yes.
no. All right. Mm-hmm.
So when I
Okay.
come back to school, I don't need to write anything.
You
Yeah.
were done. I know this already. You will tell your teacher. Okay. All right. But you already finished this one, right? You answered this one.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe you can just please read first so you can remember the next part.
Um,
Doing.
doing DIY,
Mm-hmm.
doing puzzle,
Mm-hmm.
surfing the net,
Yes.
cooking, playing sport, message with friends,
Messaging. Messaging.
yes, messaging friends.
Yes. All right. So now you're going to answer this part because you finished this one, right? So let's have
Yeah.
activity four. So you read the phrases and guess which activities in three are described. Okay.
Uh,
All right. So please read. Number one,
um,
improve. Can you see?
improve memory and mental exercise.
Yeah, it improves memory and it's a mental exercise. What is it?
Mm, I think it's playing sport.
Oh, playing sports improve memory?
Um,
Mm,
ah, I know. It's doing puzzle.
yeah, that's right. Okay, please
Yeah.
remember this one. So it improves memory and it's a mental exercise. You mentioned about Sudoku before, right?
Yes.
You mentioned about it. Yeah, Sudoku is a puzzle. So it
Yeah.
improves your memory and it's a mental exercise. Okay? And
Uh,
we have number two,
Sales money increase creativity. I think it's
creativity. Mm-hmm. Creativity.
I think it's doing DIY.
Yeah, doing the DIY save money and increase creativity. Why do you think you can save money from doing DIY?
Mm, we just need to buy
Mm-hmm.
paper and the
Paper?
paper.
Oh, are you sure it's only about paper? DIY, you can build different things from DIY. You can build a house,
Oh
a real
yes.
house from DIY. You can build anything. Yeah. Even a
Oh,
cupboard, a bed. Yeah, it's when we say DIY, it's not only about paper. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, you can do
Yeah.
many things. But why do you think we can save money? Yeah, your answer is correct. We only need to buy, but not
Um,
only paper. Mhm.
we don't need to buy some billboard to help
Pay.
me.
We
Yeah.
don't need to pay other
Yeah.
people. We don't buy people. We don't need to pay other people to
Yes.
build something for us. So we do
Yes.
it ourselves. That's why DIY. Do it
Yes.
yourself. And also if you buy the 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 ready-made one, maybe you
Mm.
want to have a table. So instead of buying a table that is already been built,
Yeah. Uh,
you just build it yourself, you do it yourself. So
yes.
it's cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
And it increases your creativity. Why do you think it increases someone's creativity to do DIY and doing DIY?
Mm.
Hmm. Why?
Uh, mm, yes.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you want to make a table and then you
Yeah.
bought the DIY kit for the table. Why will it increase your
Um, we
creativity?
we can go to the forest and make
For
work. Yeah.
what? You go
So
to
we
the
don't need to
forest?
buy a table.
What? Okay, you can go to the forest.
Yes.
Maybe let's have the DIY table here. So you go to the forest and then
Yeah.
what? What? What do you need to do to yeah. What do you need to do in the forest?
Um, I find some wood.
Maybe something like this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You will find some woods in the forest.
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
we
gosh,
can
it's
make
so
a table.
difficult. You need to cut a tree.
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah. All right. So actually you can already buy wood
Oh,
and
okay.
everything, but you just what you just need to do is to build it. You've put everything, put all the pieces together.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe this one, the wood, these woods are not built together, not together.
Mhm.
They're separated. You just need to use the nails or maybe the legs of the table. That's the only thing that you need to do. Or maybe you want it painted. Okay, you can
Yeah.
make your own design.
Um,
So that will boost your creativity. You can use your
uh,
creativity, your
mm,
imagination.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why doing DIY it's not that difficult nowadays because you can
Yes.
just buy from the store everything that you need and not go to the forest.
Yeah. It's so difficult.
All right, but yeah, I think people who lives people who live in the provinces or in the countryside, maybe they can do that. Maybe
Yeah.
they if they see a tree that they can use or maybe they don't need a tree there anymore or maybe Maybe it's
yeah,
in the way of their house, so they need to remove it. Maybe so instead of throwing away the wood, so maybe they can build something
uh,
from that.
now,
All right. I can't imagine you. That's so funny. I imagine you going to the forest.
no, it don't need.
I can imagine you going to the forest and cutting the tree. Oh no. And there are wild animals there.
Yeah, there is
All right.
not anymore.
Uh, okay. So let's have number 3. Mm-hmm.
Um, I think
Improve.
it's
Yeah. Can you read it
playing
first?
sport.
Yeah. Playing sports,
Yeah,
improve physical.
it improve physical health, make friends.
Yeah. So playing sports, it can
Yeah,
improve your physical health because it's an exercise, right? Mm-hmm.
yes,
And you can make friends, of course, when you play
yeah,
together. Yeah, I think that's the fun part of playing
yeah,
sports, right? You can
yes.
play with your
Nice
friends.
with
You can make
friends.
new friends.
Yeah,
Yeah, as long as you play nicely, you can have more friends. Because
yeah,
because some people, they also make enemies in playing sports, right?
yeah,
If they don't play nicely. If you're not a good sport, right? So
yeah.
even if so being a good sport, what is being a good sport?
If
Uh-huh.
I can solve the point for my team.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, what did you say?
Um, the good player like
Mm-hmm.
uh, I can score the point for my team
Oh,
and we win.
that is being a good sport. You score and you win.
Yeah.
All right, that's it. Any other idea about being a good sport?
Mm,
I think that's being good. I think that's being good at sport. That's what you mean, being good at sport.
ah,
But what do you think being a good sport?
we
Yeah,
need to
it's different.
in a team
Mm-hmm.
the we don't need to blame in a different player.
We don't need to blame. Did you say blame?
Yes, like uh
Mm-hmm. Blame
it,
what? For
it
what?
like um we talk not good word with different
Ah, say
player
bad
like
words.
that.
We should not say bad words to other
Yeah,
people. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's a good sport.
yeah,
When? All right. I think you get it. So yeah, when we are a good sport, maybe for example, we lose in the game. So it means
yes,
we accept our defeat and we are
yes,
happy
yeah,
for the achievement of other team. So that's being
yes,
a good sport. Yeah,
yeah,
you can say that, oh, congratulations, or we can play again next time
yes,
and we will do our best to win. Yeah, something like that. That's being good sport.
yeah,
Yeah, and also, yeah, that your answer is also correct. When you are a good sport, you don't talk badly.
yeah,
They call it trash talk. Have you heard
yeah,
about it?
yes,
Have
yes,
you heard that word? Yeah, trash talking. It means talking bad things,
yes.
using bad words to other people.
I know.
Yeah, I think you do it. You do it on online games, right?
Yeah, when I
Yeah,
angry,
people, you trash talk too?
yeah,
Oh no. All right. Yeah, it's very famous online. And yeah. Okay. But I think you should not do it when you
yeah,
play
it's not
a
good.
sport, especially basketball or any sport that you're together because you will easily get into fight,
Yeah,
right? Yeah, and we should avoid that. Yeah. So you just have fun. All right,
yeah,
let's have number 4.
Keep in touch, be relaxed.
Keep in touch, and be relaxed. What is it?
I think it's surfing the net.
Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Surfing the net.
Um,
Keep in touch. Do you remember? Do you
I think
understand the word keep in touch? You keep in touch.
I I I don't know. I just know a little.
All right. Okay. Actually, this one is not complete. When you say keep in touch, like you keep in touch with your family, we keep in touch with your friends,
Ah, okay. I think it's
even if they're far from you, you keep in touch with them.
is that messaging with friends?
Yes, that's right. That's right. So
Yeah.
keep in touch. For example, you still talk to them even if you don't see each
Ah,
other.
okay.
You
Ah,
ask what they're doing, what's happening about their
okay.
lives. So that's keeping in touch. And be
Oh,
relaxed, right? So when
yeah.
we message with your friends or family, it also feels
Okay.
relaxing. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right. And number 5.
Learn something about IT computer skill.
Yeah.
I think it's surfing the net.
Yeah, that's right. So when we surf the net, and how do we learn something about IT and computer skills when we surf the
On
net?
research about the lesson
Yeah.
about use computer
Yeah,
on
that's right.
yeah
Yeah. So that means when we surf the net, it's not only about TikTok.
yeah
It's not only about social media. Yeah, when we use the net, for example, you go to Google and
yeah
search. Maybe we want to learn about a topic.
yeah
You surf. Did it
yeah
say surf? Yeah, you surf the net. You scroll there. Yeah.
oh yeah
Okay, it's a good, so that's one of the uses or usefulness
yeah
of the internet, right? You can learn many things.
yes
A lot of things. All right. So, any questions about this? Because it's almost time.
I'm not have any question.
You don't have any questions. All right. So maybe
Yeah,
I can ask you this question.
yes,
Maybe, but I think you already answered this one. I know what you're going to do on weekends. You will play
yeah.
sports. All right. So we will move on to this page next time. All right. See you, Johnny.
Yes,
Yeah. Have a
goodbye
nice day.
teacher. You
Bye.
see you next time.
Mm-hmm.